Hi there. We are going to continue reviewing elements of poetry. Now, I know we've already gone over this a couple of times, but since this is something new we're learning, it's good that we continue to practice it. Okay? So, we have rhyme. Can you say rhyme? Rhyme. Repetition. Repetition. And alliteration. Go ahead and try to say alliteration. Good job. All right, so rhyme. Words end with the same sound or sounds. So we've gone over this a couple of times this week, and here's the example, cat, sat. But we know that we can also rhyme more words with cat and sat because we're focusing on at. So think of words that end with at the end of them. Cat, sat, bat, chat, like when you start talking chat, that, that, I don't know if I said that already, but we're focusing on rhyming words at the end. Let's see, let's also do another one. Let's do ig, as in big, pig, rig. That's all I can think of. Okay, let's go over to repetition. The same words or lines are said over and over and over and over and over again. So yesterday we learned about how in repetition it can be a whole line or sentence, or it can be a couple of words, right? As long as it keeps repeating over and over, right? Okay, repetition. The next one we're going to be talking about is alliteration. Alliteration. Words near each other start with the same sound or sounds, okay? So I have a new one right here for you, and I'm going to say it, then I'm going to have you practice saying it, and then we're going to talk about which letter or sound do we keep hearing over again. She sells seashells on the seashore. Okay? Your turn. She sells seashells on the sea shore. A little bit quicker. She sells seashells on the seashore. Okay? Now, what sound do you keep hearing, or what letter do we keep seeing repeated? The S, right? Good. All right. I hope you like this little review over elements of drama, and like I said earlier in the week, we'll continue to focus on each one of these a little bit more in detail.